I'm going to show you how to find an inspector, a newly qualified inspector. What you're going to be doing here is checking what is the latest number that a home inspector has been given by TREC. So we're going to go to the TREC website. You start typing in TREC, it'll come up as TREC State US website. Here it is, we're at the website. If you just scroll down a little bit, you can see here search licenses. And we're going to search inspector licenses. And I know that the highest license out there at the moment is 22755. So I'm going to search on that. And here's the inspector. But watch what happens when I do search on licenses here again. Watch what happens when I put in 22756. Change that to inspector. Search on that, and there's no inspectors. So the highest inspector number at the present time is 22755. Let's have a look. There he is. Excellent. So we just go over that again. We're going to go and type in TREC. There it is, trec.tex.gov. And we're going to scroll down till we find the license number. And we're going to put in 22755, and we want inspectors. And we search on that. This is all we did. Up comes that inspector. Now we want to search full search panel, and this is how you get the full search panel. You just click on that search without anything in it, and up it comes. Now we're going to be searching not on inspectors now. We're going to be searching on Bexar County, because that's where we want to recruit the inspectors from. And we click search, and up comes a bunch of inspectors, and you can see we've got one potential employee here. His license number is 22495, and if you look here, you could see that he was licensed, or his license expires in 2019, which means he got his license in April of this year, because it only lasts for 2 years before you have to go and sit your continuing educational exams again. So he's a potential, and we say, okay, we want to find out more about this guy. So let's click on his link, and up comes a whole panel. We've got his email address, we've got his telephone number, we know he's active, and we know his address. He actually lives in San Antonio itself. So he's a good potential for an employee for us in San Antonio. So let's just go over that again, searching on a county. We type in the county we want to search on, Bexar, and then we hit the search button. And up comes all the home inspectors in Bexar County. There's Aaron, as we've just seen. And then all you need to do is start to scroll through. We've found one. This guy here, he's trading under the name BPG. So we don't really want to contact him. He's got a company, he's got a business. He's probably not a good candidate for us. But this guy here, he is. He may be a Spanish speaker too, which would be very useful. His license is 22481. So he qualified this year. You can see his license runs out in March of 2019. So he got his license in March. Let's go further down. Sometimes you'll find inspectors that are also got sales agent licenses. Whenever you see that, don't bother about calling them. We don't want to work with them. Here's another inspector, but he's 3D professional home inspections, so we're not really interested in talking to him. This one's got a registered company, so we're not really want to talk to him. So you just scroll down until we can find inspectors that maybe that would work for us. This guy's no good because he's ProTech Home Inspections. This is an apprentice inspector, but it's expired, but we wouldn't be interested in him. Bigley Home Inspections, no, not him because he's got an inspection company. But here's a potential. He's inactive, right? So that means he's tried to become an inspector, but you know it wasn't working out for him. And if he doesn't, so if he wants to be active, he's got to pay his insurance, and so that runs to a pretty penny each month. So he's put his license inactive. You don't have to pay insurance, and he may be interested in coming working for us. This is another inspector we wouldn't be interested in. He's got his own company. So this guy, his license expired in 2016. So we're not interested in people whose licenses have expired because you know they've got to go through the whole process again to get a license. There's another guy here, Inspector 42. Another one here, Bozak Home Inspections. Don't really want him. Gone on to another page. This guy is an inspector, but he's also got a sales agent license. Buyers Protection Group. He's got a business, so we don't want to call him. So we only want high licenses. This guy's license expired, so he clearly didn't make it. Here's one here. He's active. He's got a number. He may be finding work, but he's a potential. So, in summary, you're going to go through this site and you're going to go and pick these people and you're going to find somebody. And when you do, you're going to phone them up. Just as we did with this guy, we talked about phoning this guy up. We've got his telephone number there, and we can also send him an email in confirmation once we've spoken to him. It's pretty straightforward.